Want to make your product photos look polished and professional like this one without spending a dime? In today's video, I'll walk you through how to remove image backgrounds using free open source software. This tutorial is perfect for online sellers, small business owners, and creators who want high quality visuals without paying for expensive tools. From setting up the software to achieving flawless results, I'll guide you step by step. Ready to make your product stand out and attract more customers? Let's get started. So if you want to sell a mug like this, so as you can see, they look polished, they look enticing. If it's up to me, I will actually buy one. If you want something like this, I recommend you to go over right here to a new tab and then go right here to remove background. So we have in here remove.bg. So I actually have right here an image that is actually really messy. So let me open that image right here. So this is the image. So as you can see, it's really messy. There's a lot of things, and even though I put it on mockup, it will look really horrible. So what we can do instead is we can head over and go to remove BG and upload that image right here. But first things first, let me show you what it will look like if I add it on my mockup. Let's head over to our Canva and then let's go over to this more. And for this one, we can head over and use in here a square layout. That's been loaded, we should be able to actually open it up. So since we want to sell some mugs, what we can do is we can scroll down right here and then go over to the mockup or to the apps option. Now onto our apps, search it here for mockup. Click onto the search bar, search for mockup right here, and then click on mockups option. Now you should be able to see some mockups options right here like this one as well as this one as well. So they have in here some popular options for videos, smartphones, print apparels, and we also have in here this home and living, which we have the mug that we're looking for. So for example, let's head over and add this one. So let's click on this and then let's position it according to our liking. And now our mug looks like this and so our mock-up. So if you want, you can add in here the image. So let's upload the image that I have earlier. Let's click on uploads, click on this upload files. And then from in there, let's go over to our downloads or to our pictures. And then let's add the image that we have earlier. So as you can see, it's now been uploaded. What we can do is we can head over and then click on it in order to add it. And then let's drag it right here into the actual frame. So this will load and it will show us what our frame will look like without the image background removed. So as you can see, it's messy. If it's up to me, I will not buy it. So in order to actually change it up, we need to head over it in here to the background tool that I have earlier. Click onto this upload image. And then from in there, just using here the image that we have and click on open. Now from in there, this will upload it right here. Now just wait for a few seconds for the background to be removed. And you can now see in here the background. Click onto this download, but as you can see, you can download HD or download just this one. I'll head over and choose in here this option that we have right here, and then it will be downloaded. Now you can head over right here again to your Canva, and then let's add that right here. Let's click on upload files, and then let's get the one that we have just downloaded earlier, and click on open. Now, as you can see, here's the actual image. Let's click on it, and then let's add it right here. And then this will create a mockup for us with the background removed. So let's just wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it's looking much more beautiful than earlier. But did you know that Canva has its own background removal tool? Yes, they have. So I'll show you what it looks like. So let's add in here the unfiltered picture that we have earlier. Once you have done that, click on that picture and click onto the species remover tool right here. And now as you can see, this will load in order to remove the background for that. Now once it's been removed, just click on that and just drag it right here on what we have earlier. And then just wait for it to create the mockup for us. So as you can see, the mockup has now been created. So now let's compare the results. Let me make it much more bigger. So this is what Canva has generated for us. And this what remove.bg has generated for us. So as you can see, remove.bg has this kind of thing right here that actually shows that it's actually dirty, while Canva is flawless and really good looking. Now here's the before and here's the after. So I recommend you to use Canva to actually create your product mockups. Now if you want to actually download this mockup, just click onto the share option right here. Click onto this download option and then just choose the actual image that you want. For this one, the page tree is what we want. Click on download and just choose PNG because this one is best for complex images and illustration, which is best for your product images. Now click onto this download option and as you should be able to see in here, it should be able to be downloaded. Now once it's done downloading, next thing you need to do is just head over to your store and then just upload your image for the actual product that you want to sell it into. It looks really good, really beautiful, and what we're looking for a product image. So for my store, I have in here my Shopify. So just head over right here to your products, and then from in there, just head over and click onto this add product option. So since we're looking to create a mug, let's click onto this option right here and search in here the title. So let's put in here something like inspirational mug. And then from in there, you can generate your description. But what we're looking for right here is just click onto this upload new option. And then let's upload right here the actual thing that we have downloaded, which is this mug mockup. Click on open right here and it should be able to be added on the media. Just enter in here the pricing for the mug that you're looking for as well as the cost it may you. You can also track the quantity if you want. All of this is actually up to you already. So just put it here, the information that you want is here, and then add in here description that you want. Once you have done that, click onto this save option right here. Now, once it's been saved, you can head over and then see to it onto your Shopify. So from in there, just click onto this preview option in order to see what your product will look like on the storefront. So here's my product. And here's my product mockup. So as you can see, the background of the particular picture that I have added into this product is actually really simple and not dirty at all, just like what we want it to be. And it's actually really seamless and just what we're looking for. So from in there, you can use it to actually go and then create your product mockups and then create your product was much more neater than possible. So this product right here will be the storefront for your actual customers. So if your product is actually really cute and really useful, the presentation is really good, people are more enticed to buy that product from your store. So they have in here the add to cart option and the buy it now option. So it's actually really up to your customers to buy it, but the presentation of your product is up to you. I recommend you to use Canva instead of other tools on that one. This because Canva has now the background remover as well as a mockup generator that will help you generate much more designs. So in here, onto our mockups, we also have a lot more things other than just mugs. We can also use smartphones, prints, apparels, which are t-shirts, sweatshirts, and the likes that you can also store on your store or you can also sell it if you want. You can also use paints or frames for your picture or painting, as well as packaging, outdoors, graphics, tablets and TV, as well as watches. So that's all there is today. Thank you so much for watching. To help you put what you've learned into action, I've created below an actual mock-up template for you that you can use according to your liking. So I hope this video will help you out a lot. You can head over and then just click on the download link below in order to maximize your skills. So if you like this video, you don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and then share this with someone who could benefit from these tips. And before you go, make sure to check out my actual Canva playlist. It's packed with tutorials and ideas to inspire your next project. See you in the next video and happy creating!